Hello everyone, welcome to Online Solution channel. Here we solve some of the mathematical problems, and in today's video I will discuss some of the problems related to profit and loss. Question number 1. Alfred buys an old scooter for rupees 4,700 and spends rupees 800 on its repair. If he sells the scooter for rupees 5,800, his gain percent is option A 4 and 4 by 7%, option B 5 and 5 by 11%, option C 10%, option D 12%. Here the data is given. The cost price of the scooter which he bought is 4,700 and he spent 800 to repair that scooter. So after repairing the scooter, the effective cost price will be 4,700 plus 800, which will be equal to 5,500, and the selling price is given 5,800. The question asked here is we have to find the profit percentage or the gain percentage, which is given by the formula. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. And in case if you don't know the formula, you can click the I button at the right top corner of the screen to find the video about the formula regarding this profit and loss. And the formula for profit is given by profit equal to selling price minus cost price. And now we can substitute this formula into this formula. So from here it follows profit percentage is equal to selling price is given 5,800 and cost price is given 5,000. It's calculated as the effective cost price is calculated to be 5,500 and divided by effective cost price, which is 5,500 multiplied by 100. This 0 and this 0 will cancel, this 0 and this 0 will cancel. So from here it follows profit percent equal to 5,800 minus 5,500 is equal to 300 divided by 55, and the numerator and denominator we can divide it by 5. So 5 will get 60 here and 5 will get 11 here. So if we divide 60 by 11, we will go by 5. 5 will be 55 and the remaining will be 5. So here we get the answer to be 5 and 5 by 11%. So the correct option here is option B, which is 5 and 5 by 11%. Question number 2. The cost price of 20 articles is the same as the selling price of X articles. If the profit is 25%, then the value of X is option A 15, option B 16, option C 18, option D 25. So let the cost price of each article or one article of each article is equal to rupee 1. So the cost price of X article will be X multiplied by rupee 1, which is equal to rupees X, and the cost price of 20 articles is equal to rupee 1 multiplied by 20, which is rupees 20, and the selling price of X articles equal to rupees 20. Since the cost price of 20 articles is equal to the selling price of X articles, that is the cost price of 20 articles is rupees 20, so therefore the selling price of X article also will be 20 rupees. So the profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price multiplied by 100, and the formula for profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. From here it follows profit is given 25 and the selling price of X is 20, and this is the selling price of X article, and the cost price of X article is X, 20 minus X, divided by x multiplied by 100. So 100 will be divided by 25, will get 4, and this 25 will get 1. So from here it follows x is equal to 20 minus x multiplied by 4. From here it follows x equal to 80 minus 4x. From here it follows 5x equal to 80. From here it follows x equal to 80 divided by 5, that is 16. So the value of x is 16. So the correct option here is option B, that is 16. Question number 3. If selling price is double, the profit triples. Find the profit percentage. Given option 66, 2 by 3. Option B, 100. Option C, 105, 1 by 3. Option D, 120. So here, let cost price be x, let selling price be y. And we know the formula for profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to y minus x. So this will be our first equation. And they said if selling price is double, the cost price will be the profit will be triple. The profit when the selling price is double is equal to twice y minus x equal to 3 times of this. 3 times of this profit when the selling price is double. So 3 multiplied by y minus x. From here it follows twice y minus x equal to 3y minus 3x. From here it follows 3y minus 2y equal to 3x minus x. From here it follows y equal to twice x. This will be our equation 2. And we know we saw the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is y minus x. So we will substitute this equation 2 in this, which is equal to twice x minus x, which is equal to x. So we know the profit percentage formula equal to profit by cost price multiplied by 100. The profit we get here to be x, and the cost price is here x. So x divided by x multiplied by 100. So x and x cancel. It's equal to 100%. So the correct option here is option B, which is 100%. Question number 4. In a certain store, the profit is 320% of the cost. If the cost increases by 25%, but the selling price remains constant, approximately what percentage of the selling price is the profit? Option A 30%, option B 70%, option C 100%, option D 250%. Let the cost price be rupees 100 and the profit is 320% of cost price, that is 320 by 100 multiplied by 100. 100 cancel, so the profit is rupees 320. Now the selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, which is equal to 100 plus 320, that is rupees 420. Now the second part of the question, it says the cost increases by 25%. Cost increases by 25%, that is 100 is the cost price plus 25% of increase in the cost, that is 100 plus 25 is equal to 125. This is our new cost price. Now profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Here the question says the selling price remains constant, so the selling price is 420 rupees and the cost price is our new cost price, that is 125 rupees. So 420 minus 125 is equal to 295 rupees. So now the required percentage. So the question says approximately what percentage of the selling price. So the required percentage will be profit divided by selling price multiplied by 100. So the profit we already calculated, it's equal to 295 and the selling price is 420 multiplied by 100. 0 and 0 will cancel, so 2950 divided by 42, and if we divide this we will come to approximately 70.23%. so the correct option here is option B, which is 70%. Since this is approximately 70%, so correct option here is option B, 70%. Question number 5. A vendor bought toffees at 6 for a rupee. How many for a rupee must he sell to gain 20%? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Here the question says the vendor bought 6 toffees for 1 rupee. So the cost price is 1 rupee, which he bought 6 toffees. So in 1 rupee he bought 6 toffees. So our cost price will be 1 rupees. So how many for a rupee must he sell to gain 20% profit? So the profit is given 20% of cost price, which is 20 by 100 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 0.2 rupee. So now the selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price is 1 rupee and the profit he made is 0.2, which is equal to rupee 1.2 rupee. So now in 1.2 rupee he sold 6 toffees to make a profit of 20%. So in 1 rupee how much he will sell? So this we will apply unitary method. 6 divided by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1. So 6 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 5. So in 1 rupee he will sell 5 toffees to make profit of 20%. So the correct option here is option C, which is 5. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.